Folsom prison, and it's on a prison road. There's a sign that use of the cell phones is prohibited, but that's the gate. You enter there, and there's some towers over there, and I don't think you come out of there once you're in. There are some original pieces, stuff built by inmates, but then the most famous is Johnny Cash room. The fact that he did the concert here, it's a history, and it was really important in those days. Johnny Cash did San Quentin concert live and here at Folsom Prison, and that's a legend. Yep, that's the wall that separates us from them. Museum was built in 1800 after the gold rush. The San Quentin, as the oldest prison, was overcrowded, and then they built the Folsom prison, which is the second oldest prison in the country. Took a while to build it, and they finished it after 1900 something. And it's really ridiculous that Folsom prison has some legendary status because of Johnny Cash song and concert in it. Museum is small, doesn't have much, not even organized. It's just there to sell Johnny Cash t-shirts and postcards. But at least it's a stop on my tour. There are some famous names that spent time at Folsom. One of them was Rick James, the freak, super freak. I don't know, stuffed on cocaine and crack. He beat up some women and got 3 years here, released in 1993 on parole. Weird guy, ended up in Folsom. Out of all jails, he has to come here. Well, California.